Today I will be showing you Flip Swap Galaxy. Think before you shake. Probably quite an easy level, but it doesn't really matter. It flips them when you shake, so long jump can be very useful in this level because sometimes you don't want to change it. I think so. If you don't know how to do long jump, I will show you. First, run, crouch and then jump, yeah? I'll show you on here, this long stretch. Run, crouch and jump. I'm using it a lot here because there is chomps. If you're not accurate with your long jump, which I wasn't then, really there's not much need, you can just be really precautious and do that. But here, that's a good place for a long jump, or you can just jump and shake and then shake again or something. That dodges. So for me, this star is really easy. So, see you next time.